Hello student. In previous session we discussed about the SI unit. In SI unit system there is a 9 fundamental quantities and their units are involved. 7 in which 7 fundamental units and 2 are the supplementary units. In fundamental units, fundamental quantity, mass its unit, kilogram, fundamental quantity, length its unit, meter, fundamental quantity, time its unit is second, luminous intensity unit candela, moles units mole, temperature units degree Kelvin, and currents its unit is ampere, and 2 supplementary units radian and steradian. Radian is the unit of 2-dimensional angle and steradian is the unit of 3-dimensional angle. Now we will discuss about the definition of the fundamental units and their conversion. First we study about the unit meter. Meter is defined as many terms as possible as जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता गया वैसे वैसे मीटर की डेफिनेशन भी चेंज होती गई. फर्स्ट इन 1889 terms meter was defined to be the distance between two fine lines engraved near the end of a bar of the platinum iridium alloy when the bar was maintained at 0 degree centigrade. मीटर की डेफिनेशन दी गई 2 लाइन का एंड है. जो एक मीटर स्केल है वो जो मेटल है प्लेटिनम और इरिडियम एलॉय का बना हुआ. इसकी 2 लाइन के बीच की डिस्टेंस है जिसको 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड मेंटेन किया गया तो उसकी लेंथ जो हुई 1 मीटर के इक्विवेलेंट हुई. लेटर बाद में जैसे जैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन बढ़ती गई, एनालिसिस बढ़ती गई, मीटर को 1960 में डिफाइन किया गया. द टर्म्स मीटर वाज डिफाइंड एज 16,50,763.73 wavelength of the orange red light emitted by isotopes krypton 78. मतलब 1960 में मीटर को डिफाइन किया गया. कैसे? जो आइसोटोप्स क्रिस्टल से जो अमिट हो रही थी लाइट उसकी वेवलेंथ के 16,50,763.73 वेवलेंथ के इक्विवेलेंट किया गया. और बाद में लाइट को 1983 में स्पीड ऑफ लाइट के टर्म में डिफाइन किया गया. वो क्या था? द लेंथ ऑफ द पाथ ट्रेवल्ड बाय लाइट इन वैक्यूम ड्यूरिंग द टाइम इंटरवल ऑफ 1/29 करोड़ 97 लाख 92,458 टाइम ऑफ द सेकेंड. दैट इज लाइट के द्वारा 1/29 करोड़ 97 लाख 92,458 सेकेंड में जो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल की गई उस डिस्टेंस को 1 मीटर से डिफाइन किया गया. अब ये मीटर की डेफिनेशन है. 3 डेफिनेशन है. फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन 1889 में दी गई. सेकेंड डेफिनेशन 1960 में दी गई और लास्ट डेफिनेशन लाइट के टर्म में 1983। ये है मीटर्स की 3 डेफिनेशन। इसके बाद हम लोग कन्वर्जन ऑफ दी मीटर्स यूनिट को स्मॉलर और लार्जर दोनों यूनिट में कन्वर्जन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। स्ट्रेट नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द यूनिट्स टू मेजर द डिस्टेंस। Practical unit for the large distance. To measure the large distance, there are 3 units. One astronomical units, another light year, and third is parallelic units. First astronomical unit represented by A.UR A. A astronomical unit is defined as the mean distance between the center of the earth and the sun. That means astronomical unit is defined as the mean distance between the center of the earth to the sun. सन और अर्थ के सेंटर के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस होती है उसको हम एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट कहते हैं। तो इसे एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट, 1 एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट इक्वल टू होता है 1.496 इंटू 10 टू पावर 11 मीटर, और इसको आप राउंड अप करोगे तो 1.5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 11 मीटर के इक्विवेलेंट होगा। सेकेंड है लाइट ईयर। लाइट ईयर, 1 लाइट ईयर इज डिफाइंड एज the distance taken by light in vacuum in 1 year. That means लाइट के द्वारा वैक्यूम में एक साल में जो टेबल डिस्टेंस होती है उस डिस्टेंस को हम क्या करते हैं, लाइट ईयर से डिफाइन करते हैं। तो 1 लाइट ईयर, जैसा कि ये कहा गया कि डिस्टेंस अब ट्रेवल बाय लाइट इन 1 ईयर, तो डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इनटू टाइम टेकन बाय लाइट। तो स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट 3.0 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड, एंड टाइम टेकन बाय लाइट 1 ईयर, दैट मीन्स 365 days in 1 year, and in 1 day there are 24 hours, and in 1 hour there is a 60 minute, and 1 minute having 60 seconds. It's being equal to 3.0 into 365 into 24 into 3600 इतना मीटर is equal to 72 into 365 into 3600 meter. When you will multiply it, you will get 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter to 10 to the power 8 meter. When you will multiply it, you will get 9.46 into 10 to the power 8 15 meter, or we may solve it here. When you will multiply 3600 by 365, you will get 0 0 5 is 30, 18, 6 0 is 0 0, 36, this one 0 0, 3 6 is 18, and 3 3 is 9, and 1 10. 0 0 0 8 4 14 11 3 1. When you multiply this by 72, you will get 0 0 0. 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. When you multiply it by 7, 0 0, 7 4 ja 28, 7 ja 7 to 9, 7 3 ja 21, and 7 1 ja 7 2 9. Add 0 0 0 8 0 6 4 9. It's equal to 9 4 6 0 8 1 2 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Or you will write this as 9.4608 into 10 to the power. Decimal move from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now you may write it as this into 10 to the power 8 and 7 50 meter. Or you may write it as 9.5 into 10 to the power 15 meter. That means 1 light year is equal to 9.5 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Now you may convert a small distance into light year by dividing the distance by 9.5 into 10 to the power 15 meter. After this, the other unit to measure the largest distance is parameter unit. This is, and third unit to measure the large distance is parsec. Parsec, that is also known as parametric second. Parametric second. That is, parsec is defined. It is the distance at which an arc of the length 1 astronomical unit. The arc of the length 1 astronomical unit subtended an angle of 1 second. 1 second. That means वह डिस्टेंस वो आर्क की लेंथ है 1 मीटर, जो उस आर्क की लेंथ है जो कि 1 एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट के आर्क की के द्वारा इतना एंगल सस्टेन किया जाता है. आप इसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. थीटा एंगल, वी नो दैट एंगल थीटा इज इक्वल टू आर अपॉन रेडियस. Here theta is equal to 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute is equal to 1 by 60 into 60 डिग्री. ये वैल्यू हो गई. अब इस डिग्री को आप क्या करो, रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करो. आप जानते हो we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Then 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore 1 upon 60 into 60 degree is equal to pi upon 180 to 1 by 60 into 60 radian. That is equal to pi divided by 180 60 into 60 radian. An arc is equal to 1 astronomical unit is equal to Its means R is equal to 1.946 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Then distance theta, radius r is equal to r upon theta. R की वैल्यू 1.946 into 10 to the power 11 meter divided by radius of theta pi upon 180 into 60 into 60. It's equal to 1.946 into 10 to the power 11 into 180 into 60 into 60 whole divided by value of pi 3.14. This is equal to, here 3 by decimal is removed by 3 zeros 1, 2 and 3, that is 1946 into 18 into 36 into 10 to the power 11. When you will multiply 1946 into 18 into 36, you will get 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter is passes. That means if you want to convert parsec into meter, then you will divide the given length by 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. Now, there is another unit, practical unit to measure the small distance meter. Small distance, a large distance, and it's for small distance. For the small distance, there are many units. First, 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. After this, 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. These are the smallest unit to measure the distance. And you may say that it's a small unit to measure the distance. You may read 1 this is equal to 1 micrometer. 1 and m is equal to 1 nanometer is equal to 1 angstrom. Pm is equal to 1 picometer and is 1 Fermi. Now, there is a conversion of the unit, that means you may convert one unit in another unit. You may convert a given unit in another unit. Suppose you have given 1 angstrom. Yeah, convert, change 1 angstrom into picometer. 1 angstrom into picometer. So first we will convert angstrom into meter. After this, meter into picometer. Here 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. After this, 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Then you will convert meter into picometer, equal to 10 to the power minus 10 into 10 to the power 12 picometer. Reason 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 12 picometer. Therefore, in case of meter, you will write 10 to the power 12 picometer, then it's being 10 to the power minus 10 plus 12 picometer, that is 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power 2 picometer. इस तरह से आप और भी यूनिट को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। आज के लिए इतना ही, शेष अगले टर्म पे। थैंक यू एंड हैव नाइस डे।